Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Rocket Money app in 5 minutes. If you want a smarter way to manage your finances, track subscriptions, and monitor your spending, Rocket Money is a popular personal finance app that helps you organize everything in one place. With Rocket Money, you can connect your accounts, track bills, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and work toward your financial goals. To begin, open your browser or download the mobile app for Rocket Money. On the home page, click the Create Account button. This will start the onboarding process, where the app collects a few details to personalize your financial dashboard. During the first step of the sign-up process, Rocket Money will ask how they can help you. This question helps the platform tailor its tools to your financial needs. Select the option that best matches your main goal. Next, the platform will ask about your top financial goals. This helps Rocket Money provide personalized recommendations and budgeting insights. Choose the goals that best match what you want to achieve with the app. Rocket Money may also ask whether you're saving for something specific. Selecting a goal allows the app to help you monitor your progress toward that objective. Next, the sign-up process will ask for your name. Providing your name helps personalize the experience inside the app dashboard. After that, you'll be asked to provide your email address. Make sure you enter an active email address that you can access easily. The next step is creating a secure password for your account. Choose a password that is strong and unique so your financial data remains protected. Once you set the password, your account will be created. After creating the account, the app will ask you to tell them a little about yourself. This helps Rocket Money customize its budgeting suggestions and financial insights. The next step asks how you discovered Rocket Money. This information helps the company understand how users are finding their platform. Now the platform will ask you to link your financial accounts. Linking accounts allows Rocket Money to automatically track your income, expenses, and subscriptions. You can connect accounts such as checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and digital wallets. Once everything is set up, you'll gain access to the main dashboard of Rocket Money. The dashboard provides several helpful tools for managing your finances. Some of the main features include subscription tracking, expense tracking, budget monitoring, and providing financial insights. The platform provides insights into your spending patterns and suggests ways to improve your financial habits. By answering the onboarding questions, connecting your accounts, and exploring the dashboard features, you can get a clearer picture of your spending and start working toward your financial goals. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.